Alright, you can see now that there's a mark that I made on the bottom. And if we go to the top, over here, you can see that there's now a little indent here. That's where we're gonna drill. So for this part, let's take it slow. The sheet metal's pretty thin, so it'll go by pretty quickly, to be honest. And just slowly step up your drill bits until you get a bolt that fits through that thread. All right, so we got a hole through now. And if we go to the bottom, we should be able to see that we have a hole going through that thread right in the center. All right, so these are the drill bits I ended up using just to slowly step up in size. I ended up finishing with a 27th 64th bit, just because that's what I had on hand. As long as you can thread your bolt in though, that's all that really matters. You do have a bit of margin of error though, if you're not completely center. It's not the end of the world, as long as you don't drill through to the threaded area. Yeah, just got to clean this up now.